Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu states, "We accompanied by Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam were going on journey for Tabuk expedition. When the provisions got exhausted, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam thought of slaughtering some of the camels. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu whereupon submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I wish you would collect the remains of the provisions and invoke blessings to them. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam did the same. So whoso had wheat brought wheat, whoso had dates brought dates. Mujahid said, and whoso had date stones brought the date stones. The reporter said that he asked Mujahid, what did they do with date stones? Mujahid replied, after sucking them they would drink water. Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu says, after collecting all those things, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam prayed over them, which increased the food to such an extent that all the people filled their receptacles. Observing it, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I testify that there is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and I am Allah's Apostle. Whoso meets Allah Jalla Jalaluhu believing in oneness of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and my apostlehhood, the two testimonies without harboring any doubt, will enter paradise. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 137.